Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 19th episode of the academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll write the opening sentences of our double action essay supporting paragraphs. So let's get started. The first supporting paragraph explains the preventive impact of punishment. An argument in favor of punishing children is centered around prevention of misconduct. According to research, brain neurons, after punishment, associate misbehavior with an unpleasant feeling, and the human brain avoids behavior that may result in pain. And the second paragraph talks about the kind of punishment that should be used. With that said, the manner of punishment has an undeniable impact on its effectiveness. For instance, corporal punishment is likely to backfire, while limiting allowance and recreation are tried and true methods that have passed the test of time. In the next episode, we'll complete the supporting paragraphs we've written so far. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.